So this is just a quick look at my budget spreadsheet example and how you can begin to build your budget on a spreadsheet as well. So every square that you see here is called a cell, and cells have the ability to display information face value or to display information that's calculated with a function. So right here where it says function is where we can put um, a series of numbers and letters that will calculate information for you. So to do this, all you have to do is press the equal sign in order to begin your function. So if I wanted to add all of these numbers together, I can do so by typing the word sum and then beginning a parenthesis, selecting my data. And to select data, I usually just click inside the white. I try not to click on the borders of the cell. And then you close the parenthesis. And then once you're done, just press enter. And this is the calculated function of all of these loans with a total of, what is that, 50,000 or 500,000. So if I wanted to display this data as a currency instead of just a plain number, all I would have to do is select the numbers that I want to change. And up here is the dollar sign that you can use to display currency. And note how, because I changed these numbers, it changed this number as well. So Sheets is really smart like that. It just takes data and knows when to change similar data. You can also just type words too, as you can see, so don't press equals or anything. If you want to do that, you can just go ahead and type what you want to type. You can change your font sizes and your font options all up here, very similar to Google Docs. You can also fill in cells with a different color with this right here, fill color. And then lastly, I'm just going to quickly break down one of the equations that I did to calculate my gas. So it's a little difficult, but right here, I've determined that there are 20 weekdays in 1 month. And I drive an average of 20 miles a day. So this is kind of a stretch for me because I live close to work. But I also, you can also pretend that you're adding miles to go wherever you want to go after work. There's also 4 weekends, and I've allowed myself 100 miles for each weekend. So 100 times 4, 400, 20 times 20, 400 as well. So this total right here is going to be 800. And because I have it in parentheses, what that does, similar to just any algebraic equation, it's going to calculate these functions first, and then add them second, and then divide it by 27 third. So this 27 right here, I've done research on a car that I've selected, and it gets 27 miles per gallon. So you're going to determine the amount of miles that you drive for the whole month, divide it by your miles per gallon, and then multiply all of that by 2.5, which is the average price of gas right now. And that's how I got my total of 74.07.